Hey everyone, this is Cindy. You probably already know that I love OneNote. I use it at home, I use it at work. I could go on and on. I won't. But I could go on and on about how much I love OneNote. But tonight, I'm not going to be talking to you about the great organizational skills or the really complex things that you can do. Tonight is all about frivolous and fun stuff that I have been doing with my OneNote and I want to share. So you probably already know, if you've used OneNote at all, that you can easily drag and drop an image in. I've got it in a folder here. It could be off of your desktop or anywhere else. And I just have the image here. I can resize. And please, whatever you do, always, always, always resize from the corner, not from the sides or the top or the bottom. Please stick with the corner for the resizing. So that's easy enough. I drop in a picture, it's there. Let me get rid of it because I want to go one better. If you are as GIF crazy as I am, then you're going to love this. So I have tried dragging and dropping GIFs in, but I don't seem to get them to work. It's just not made that way. So I've gone to giphy.com and then I'm going to hover over the GIF image that I want, and I'm going to click the little chain link in the upper right hand corner, and what that does is it copies the link to this GIF. Now I come back into the OneNote and I just right click and paste, or I could just do Control V to paste, and there it is. So now if I want to see it do its thing, I can just click that button and it's going to animate it. So I do realize that some people call it a GIF, but I just can't do that. So it's going to be a GIF for me. The next thing I'm going to show you is just as fun. Again, nothing life-changing here, but you might have noticed that I've got my sections named with little emojis. So to do that, I can right-click on a section name. I can do this on a page name if I wanted to as well. I choose Rename Section. I'll put my cursor at the end of the text. I'll put a space in there just to give it a little bit of space. And if you're using an updated Windows 10 computer, you can get to the emoji keyboard by holding down the Windows key on your keyboard, looks like the little Windows flag, and hitting the period. And that brings up this keyboard. Now, if you don't see this keyboard, you can always go out to the search engine of your choice and just look for emoji keyboard, whichever one you want to use. Pick the emojis you want to use, copy them, and then just come and paste them in. But I'm going to just pick a few right here. Look at that. Maybe I'll move over here to the car and say, oh, I just bought a red car. So once I get a few emojis in there that I want, I click the X to close this. Then to change the name, I just hit enter on my keyboard and I have now added those precious little pictures to the name of my section. Again, not life-changing, but still fun. So the last thing I'm going to show you is about Bitmojis. I'm back in my Chrome browser and I have several Chrome extensions that I have installed, and the one I use most often, hands down, is the Bitmoji Chrome extension. So when I click on that, if it's the first time I have to sign in with my Snapchat account, good luck trying to remember your password, but you can do it. But if I've signed in before, it stays in, and then I look through all of these Bitmojis, and I'm going to grab this one because it is election night. When I right click, I can save the image to my computer to use it for later, or I could copy the image, and that's what I'm going to do now. So copy image. I go back into my OneNote and I can right click and paste. And just like any other image, I'm just going to resize from the corner however I want it, and I can place it anywhere on the page in OneNote. So I hope you've enjoyed these quick, fun, frivolous tips in OneNote.